Hi everybody, welcome back to V's World. Today we're gonna learn all about farm animals. Let's get started. Oh, look at this cute animal. Do you guys know what it is? Let's find out.
Duck.
Yeah, you guessed it right. It's a duck. Ducks make the sound quack quack. Do you know what animal is this? Let's find out.
Horse.
Yes, you guessed it right again. It's a horse. Horse makes the sound neigh. Let's move on. Do you know what this beautiful animal is? Let's find out.
Cow.
Yes, you guessed it right. It's a cow. Cows make the sound moo moo. Let's go to the next card. Do you know what animal is this? Let's find out.
Hen.
Yes, it's a hen. Hens make the sound cluck cluck. Let's go to the next card. Do you know what this animal is? Let's find out.
Goat.
Yes, it's a goat. Goats make the sound ba ba. Let's go to the final animal. Do you know what animal this cutie animal is? Yeah, let's find out.
Pig.
Yes, it's a pig. Pigs make the sound oink oink. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. Please like and subscribe for more fun and exciting videos from V's World. Bye!